Most people think learning a new language requires boring textbooks and hours of grammar drills, but the surprising truth is that LinkU makes it fun and practical by letting you learn from real content. Today, I'm sharing my usage experience. LinkU is a language learning platform that focuses on immersion. You learn by reading articles, listening to podcasts, and engaging with native content. Most people get this wrong by expecting a rigid lesson plan. LinkU adapts to your pace. You can highlight words you don't know, and the app automatically saves them for review later. Getting started is simple. Choose your target language, pick content that interests you, and start reading or listening. You won't believe what happens next. The app tracks your progress, shows which words you know, and even lets you practice speaking and writing. The repetition is built into the platform, which reinforces memory naturally. The surprising truth is that learning through content keeps you motivated. Instead of memorizing lists, you're engaging with real language, and comprehension grows faster. LinkU also includes community features, so you can interact with native speakers, get corrections, and exchange tips. Some considerations: the premium plan unlocks full features like unlimited content and advanced tracking, and beginner learners may feel slightly overwhelmed by complex articles at first. However, for consistent daily practice, LinkU is highly effective and enjoyable. In conclusion, if you want to learn a language naturally, with real-world content and personalized tracking, LinkU is worth trying. Subscribe for more honest language learning app reviews and tips to improve faster.